The Great Barrier Reef, a breathtaking marvel located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, stands as the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. This vibrant underwater tapestry comprises nearly 3,000 individual reefs and over 900 islands, covering an area of approximately 344,400 square kilometers. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so vast and intricate that it can even be seen from space, making it one of the most iconic natural landmarks on our planet. Each year, millions of visitors flock to this stunning destination, captivated by its colorful coral formations, crystal clear waters, and the diverse marine life that calls the reef home. From snorkeling and scuba diving to boat tours and underwater photography, tourists have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the reef's rich biodiversity. Key gateways to this aquatic wonder include Cairns and Port Douglas, bustling hubs that offer a plethora of tours and marine activities. The Whitsunday Islands, with their pristine beaches and idyllic landscapes, invite sailing enthusiasts and snorkelers alike to explore their serene waters. A particularly romantic highlight is Heart Reef, a naturally formed coral reef shaped like a heart, which attracts countless aerial tours, making it a favorite for couples seeking a unique getaway. But the Great Barrier Reef is not just a tourist destination. It is a vital ecosystem teeming with life. Home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and 4,000 species of mollusks, the reef supports an extraordinary array of marine species. Among its inhabitants are iconic creatures like clownfish, sea turtles, manta rays, sharks, and dugongs. The reef serves as a critical habitat for endangered species, including the green sea turtle and the saltwater crocodile. Often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are among the most biologically diverse ecosystems on Earth, playing a crucial role in maintaining marine biodiversity. The coral polyps, tiny organisms that build these reefs, provide shelter and breeding grounds for countless marine species. Beyond its beauty and biodiversity, the Great Barrier Reef plays a significant role in protecting Queensland's coastlines from storms and erosion, acting as a natural barrier. It also contributes to global ocean health by supporting marine biodiversity, regulating the ocean's chemistry, and participating in carbon cycling. However, this natural wonder faces significant threats that jeopardize its existence. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges, leading to coral bleaching events that have devastated large areas of the reef. When sea temperatures rise, corals become stressed and expel the symbiotic algae that give them color and nutrients, leading to a phenomenon known as coral bleaching. The Great Barrier Reef has experienced several mass bleaching events in recent years, with alarming consequences for its health. Additionally, pollution from coastal development, agricultural runoff, and plastic waste poses a grave threat to the reef's delicate ecosystems. Nutrient-rich runoff can trigger algal blooms that smother coral reefs and disrupt the marine food chain. The crown-of-thorns starfish, a predator of coral polyps, has thrived in these nutrient-polluted waters, further contributing to coral decline. Overfishing and illegal fishing practices have also disrupted the balance of marine ecosystems, depleting essential fish species that maintain the health of the reefs. In light of these challenges, conservation efforts are vital to protect the Great Barrier Reef for future generations. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority, or GBRMPA, plays a crucial role in managing and safeguarding the reef. It implements conservation measures, monitors reef health, and regulates human activities to ensure sustainable use of the reef's resources. The authority has established no-take zones where fishing and extractive activities are prohibited, while also designating tourism zones to regulate visitor numbers and activities. Coral restoration projects are underway to help regenerate damaged areas of the reef. These initiatives involve coral farming, where fragments of coral are grown in nurseries and later transplanted onto degraded reefs. Scientists are also exploring techniques to breed heat-resistant corals to help the reef adapt to rising sea temperatures. Moreover, Australia has made commitments to global climate agreements and invested in renewable energy projects to combat climate change, though more aggressive actions are necessary to mitigate its long-term impacts. Community involvement is also essential in these conservation efforts. Local communities and indigenous groups, such as the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, contribute traditional ecological knowledge and sustainable practices to protect the reef. Ecotourism operators and educational programs aim to raise awareness among visitors about the reef's ecological significance and how they can contribute to its preservation. However, managing the Great Barrier Reef is a delicate balancing act. The immense popularity of the reef presents a challenge: how to accommodate high tourist numbers while ensuring conservation efforts are effective. While tourism generates revenue that can support conservation initiatives, the influx of visitors also increases the risk of environmental degradation. Climate change mitigation remains a paramount concern, as local efforts can only go so far without significant global reductions in carbon emissions. Ultimately, the Great Barrier Reef is both a global treasure and a vital ecosystem supporting marine life, coastal communities, and tourism. While it faces significant environmental threats from climate change, pollution, and over-tourism, active efforts to conserve and protect this natural wonder are underway. Sustainable marine tourism practices, coral restoration projects, and global climate advocacy are essential to ensure the reef's survival for future generations. As one of the most spectacular examples of marine biodiversity, the Great Barrier Reef serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of conservation and responsible travel, urging us all to take action to protect this irreplaceable natural wonder.